Welcome everyone. The lesson which we are revising today, that is the last lesson written by Alphonse Daudet. First of all, we'll see the introduction of the lesson. The author narrates in this lesson about the year 1870 when France was captured by Bismarck led Prussian forces. Furthermore, the Lorraine and Alsace districts went under Prussian control, and then discontinuation of teaching of French, this kind of order was passed. There was an order from French teachers to leave. French teachers of the city were told to leave immediately. Consequently, Mr. Hamel, the French teacher, he was also not able to live in his old school where he used to live also and teach also. In spite of this, he decided to deliver his last lecture. And one of his students was very afraid of him because he was expected to take a test of participle that day when this last lesson was being delivered. But when he reaches school, then he comes to know that it is his last lesson. Soon he realizes the importance of this subject which till now he was ignoring. Now we'll see the summary of the lesson quickly. The narration of this story is by a French boy named Franz. Franz is a lazy boy. However, in spite of his laziness, he likes to play in nature. He is very sensitive kind of person. Furthermore, he hates his teacher Mr. Hamel in his school and has no interest in studying French. Meanwhile, what happens? An order has come from Berlin after taking over the districts of Alsace and Lorraine in France that the German language teaching will be discontinued. What happens? One day, Franz was going to school that day. He was expected to give the test of participle. While going to school on the way, he was watching all the beautiful things around him and he wished to stay there itself and play and skip going to school. But when he reaches there to his school, then he finds that on the bulletin board, around that bulletin board, a lot of people were gathered and they were watching something. Bulletin board was the place where all the important informations related to the city they were stuck. So when he reaches there, then he finds that it was the last lesson which was being delivered by Mr. Hamel. This teacher has been working there for 40 years. Moreover, the teacher has feelings of patriotism also. He is also full of nostalgia and grief. He is grieving because he could not do his job well. He couldn't teach people French. The village men also attend his last lesson so as to honor and respect him. The elders of the village also had come there. They were also sitting at the back of the classroom when Franz reaches to the classroom. Everything was quiet and he watches that villagers were also sitting there in the class and everybody was regretting. They were regretting and they were feeling sad that they did not learn their mother tongue in their childhood. Franz received a big shock when he learns that this is the last lesson in French. Furthermore, on learning about the last lesson, a sudden interest arises in him for learning French. Till now, he wasn't paying attention at all. But when he comes to know, when he goes and he was given a place in the classroom to sit, then he realizes that, and he comes to know that this is his last lesson, then a kind of interest to see what is being taught was generated in him. That day, he also saw that Mr. Hamel was in his best of the clothes he was wearing. Mostly those clothes by him were worn on special occasions. Instantly, he develops liking for his teacher, Mr. Hamel, as well. His feelings of hatred for him suddenly came to an end. Moreover, Franz developed respect for the hard work and sincerity of his teacher. That day, a kind of respect for the teacher was generated in him. Franz is sad and ashamed of being unable to recite his lesson. That he was not able to read and write his mother tongue and he was ashamed of this thing that day. Mr. Hamel explains that they all are at fault for lacking eagerness to learn. He expresses, while delivering his lesson, he expresses that it is not a single person's fault, it is the fault of all of us that we are not able to learn. We are not able to read and write our own language. Furthermore, he also includes himself in this fault. He says, I am also equally responsible. He blames himself for lack of sincerity in teaching them. He says, because most of the times he used to tell the kids, the students of the school, to water his garden which was there around the school. Sometimes he himself skipped school and went fishing. So these are the things which he did. So now he is repenting. There is a reflection of his patriotism in his praise for French language. He says that the French language is the most logical and beautiful language in the world. It seems that Mr. Hamel got emotional on this occasion because he knew that this is going to be his last lesson. Furthermore, he asked the class to guard their language. He requests also the gathering to respect this language. He says that being close to one's language is a way to escape the clutches of slavery. He says here that those who keep their language intact, who learn to read and write their own language, then they will be able to escape the clutches of slavery as well. This language will assist them in attaining freedom from the Germans who had captured their cities. He says, if you will learn this language, then obviously you will be away from the clutches of slavery and you will be able to fight for your rights. The people realize the significance of their mother tongue. Moreover, they feel the reason for their defeat is illiteracy. Now they think that we are defeated by these forces, and the reason may be completely that illiteracy. We did not pay attention to education. Franz feels that it is impossible to remove one's language from a person. He feels that. This is because it is something that is natural to a person. Our mother tongue comes naturally to us. It is not forced from outside to us. This means that no matter how hard the opposition may try, they will fail to remove one's language. Franz says that whatever efforts will be taken by these people like Germans, they will not be able to remove their language because it is natural to them. Then we come to the theme of this. The story tells us about the significance of one's language in one's life for the very existence of race and how important it is to safeguard. The lesson revolves around it. One more incident is there in the lesson that while this lesson was continued, Franz was paying attention towards the bee which came to the class, which generally came, but this time he was paying lesser attention to it. Then suddenly a pigeon comes to class, and when Franz notices him, then he thinks, will these Germans be also changing the language of this pigeon? Will they be successful in doing so? The last French lesson taught by Hamel symbolizes the loss of language and the loss of freedom for France. It becomes an emotional lesson rendered by Mr. Hamel to the villagers, signifying the changing order of life and its impact on the sensibilities and emotions of people. The marching soldiers were also marching when the lesson was being continued, and the time was 12 o'clock. This was the time given to leave. So, marching soldiers under the windows represent the dawn of Prussia in France, defeat of the French people, and the resultant threat to their language and culture. Means now they are defeated, and now their language as well as their culture is in danger. The writer has connected the language to the culture of the people. The story is aptly titled as it evokes the consciousness in the reader not to put off things and do what one can do that day. Mr. Hamel's bold "Long live France" in the end on the board, he writes "Long live France" becomes substantial evidence of his sadness, patriotism, and finality that is reflected in his motionless posture. This writing "Long live France" shows that he wished, but he couldn't do anything at that point of time for his country. And in the end also he says, "School is dismissed, you may go." It shows that till end till the end of the story, he was in his form, he was in his character of the teacher. Thank you everyone for watching. In case you have any issues, any doubt, you can ask me. Thank you everyone.